Midi de bia me catch no say me di de hu hia me ensemoni enti ne che di midi de obofo Michael me su hia no baby afre me fie sana na meje so na enne me pese me di nkurasesem for the day beba because asem na me ba be kan e nkurasesem yes e nkurasesem so ye masho eya enkofo bi etimi portray omo se omo ye nyame nipa me from day one we show me videos me catch us me I respect the work of God obi a we say we spiritual leader me I respect you but I don't say we jimi a I was say ma ho kwan ma wo jimi you wan ko fo bebe na be kasete nyame nipa me have condemned them but etimi ko ba say yewo apapafo no wo na abonefo no ene matire no mu sey omudin enne me no be ka lady bi ho asem na sasem ni nie ne ne because yewo revelations bebe ewo ho ehun sem beba me mo have picture no so picture no was see a friend no Nyameba Agnes intro oni Nyameba or a fake prophetess maka esisudua when you allejo me say or a fake prophetess say mu ko di mu kwasi asem na mu kotutu mu bone jimi mu bone na mo to se mo ye nyame nipa hwe me kwa me use prophetess bio because you don't qualify to be a prophetess we a scammer you can't be a scammer we aza we a juno I'm telling you now do you on Facebook oni me pese enkofo odi say me they be am say if you want the authenticity of what I'm saying now me I don't fake this is authentic ko Facebook sisi ko Facebook monko adeno o adena odi bedu adeno just go through the pages no also a prophetess me use or say because per me checks any me show mu amaye on your prophetess now so you watch moda aso you watch moda or you show about 5 accounts and this scanning 5 accounts and this scanning also so for mami na so in the body na so yin ya kiro na nsam no edoso he bi wadi akona onsoa and I don't want anybody to call me say bi obofo na so for mami person no kasa me person kurasesem no na bi ka kasa me kurasesem a me ba ba ye ko adwuma ne ne I don't want anybody to call me na ewo supposed husband bi wo ho and on any scammy your friend suffer Joby information kurano I just don't want to descend on these people because a say innocent Ghanaians are falling victim suffer Joby capture a year no say we kuwa na yema kuwa no ayema yentimi ma mu bi ma me say nyame adwuma no never na me say these people lay hands on people say what's happening hey I'm telling you hey jaine kokom with all due respect jaine kom o kom dia na wa free leonim ni enu se wo kom o ye komfo ba na me pese me de na so yi di tudwa ensem na doso ni ties ni tumre ma tiesie ni tumre na ma tiesie. The word of Jesus ministry wa tie di no, the word of Jesus ministry o wa che mo dan what's our branches where you know I make a chiro what you are doing is not fair. Now Rebecca said yes coming why there have been series of assaults. Any innocent Ghanaians are not falling victim. It was Sama means him. Or Nini Kunaya Bako, or ya so no warrior. We are so for mammy. And you home Nini Yajuma, say cross a home, say Jimmy home, no one so. Now I said that catch or say, the person knows not no warrior. Or saw a fake family. Fake family. More so for any uncle for him will be an amusha and a for yes coming and go for yes coming and go for yes coming. So I must come quite will be. The word of Jesus ministry. See you. Asem making. Nyameba. Fake Nyameba. Agnes. Asem making. Fake Nyameba. Agnes. Me see you go Facebook when you follow no. Make ko add as friend. Onyo bia me add no. O add na. O be ka se me na maka yo se ko add no. O scam kwa. E me John be ka so obefo nipa na aka ya na me ko follow no. Was scam me. E me ka se Jimmy ne kire me. I don't want any pasasem ya on the platform so. I'm serious. Because I go for you now. I want to bring you down. Where the clergy tell me I'm going to national him. National members here 5. And also we can get them go fee. We are told you. Catch members in some go fee. Or he know they are sorry man no. Sense any strategy ya. Mo family and come on na masasi. We for okranye a taxi station. We be nyam faso achi asore no. Enye pa ye bia wo bo pa ya ko pokrenti. Wani ni kru sofu jobi eya apam no waseda so ye sofu a o mo ni aba bi wo ho wo de na ma wo se ware no uye di wo ye dia yo sofu ma no woni ni da ko timi ka jo se wo nkonkura be ka che ni se wo spam na e ban jise ha I'm telling you. This time I need to be real. I'm not going fake. My culture say me a software. Say previous. They don't know what they are doing. I will say you are free. System nim kwa. I will say clean system because I'm not kwama. Obi a no review software tem. So kofo we bia na ma wo kwai. Emma obi a no review software tem. Na me ana sof mame for na na me kwa so am time problem kakra. Sof mame for na me problem kakra. But we be shara ba ho adafofo. The pictures and I'm showing. Fake Nyameba Agnes. The pictures and I'm showing. Just watch them. Also saturn and you need the person call you need the tikwa na makoma. Kwa sa ya. Onto bia nya bibiani rema no obo hwerema Antonio me see ko Facebook e ko adeno o adene dia nya scam na 20 or 5 account o bon Nyameba Agnes ababa Nyameba Agnes with all due respect so for my kora WhatsApp Nyene papem. Nyene papem. Na wey your first warning. Odemia with the videos be any pictures be. the process of maame na nkasa ba bonten say we janya medwuma or the two segu form say oba be bona sawo no we ehu say oba sawo we janya life amano say yes as coming nyema ne die this time ye makwan mo bia na yes anyema no na no ma omo ponimu na omo asem ye mbobo omo a o say o ye omo sofo maame a he so wo problem bia se sofo maame ne twa bia o fa bia me sofo maame ne twa bia o fa bia me na me mo videos a na ne level now onu no oscan no gawe kabese on the highest degree the scan ni the highest degree or the all angles we sofo kwa na o de konkuru betwa di we minister obetwa di na omo stones no kwa de nyem kwa de mo de 50 ne 10 ne 100 ne de ene ashiridi ono aso ne ka mi tie na nya no audio bi ene ni video so fuma ne wo wari o ni se wo wari wo kun so fu jobi ukun no wo de ukun da mi bi o kisa mo o se me I know what I'm saying so fu jobi ene ukun da o ye ukun a wo da se ne nete na wo so fu nya me betua wo ka if say utimi proclaim say oba no ni nejai utimi de ma yo kosofo so ne ntena na wo dwani skafi no anya me betua ka I'm telling you de wo no yire aya apamo a wodididie no emwa mo na wo sofu jobi kwa no me video bi if you done o yire na wo di ne scan no be ma o yire na kasa scan no wan kasa if you don't know I'm telling you be ma o yire na kasa scan no ko mo ni ponyo kwala o mo bobo credit card ni na nam say mo ya sofo na mo di semu bi ni no for Michael me say fam afie sana na say won ti ase a me jana free ba no ti ase a hwehwe afie sana obeti ase hwehwe afie sana obeti ase kosasem sana I'm telling you me if you dare me tina me lose video if you dare me what was coming on your phobia ne panacho I'm telling you phobia panacho so o ya sofo maame na wo kum na betimi akodawa ma yo ko sofo no wadade a it's up to you o ko so anu asa ye ne etimi asa ye ho ade o ko bokoko o se mi kiss information me wono uchi so funa na ring wo ono so de ayo ho ade me ba beji ento toilet me ba so no ba beji I'm telling you baby ring ni baby a fa na fa koto e da toilet mu a se latrine na ko so se hintemo se water closet na ko so ame you be go toilet na ko you ring na ba I'm telling you I am telling you now so fu jobi de wo de di nkosesem oh, you need to no, I need to be blunt with you. I need to be blunt. As I'm calling to Sebi. You want to Sebi? You call yourself a man of God. Nami Agnes. Fake Nami Agnes. Share video, share video, share. Unfa tag no obi a benya video bi afa ko tag no Facebook na omo follow no na obo victim no say no they are in the wrong hands but me so o person you fame prophetess fake prophetess Nyameba Agnes me e ma start them pie na start them no be kwa ko you nsawam I'm telling you omo aska no mu nyina no the police will come after you I'm telling you me say opa dare me so no this guy what one say mu no keka so what you feel kwa ka say mu na me keka meti with the video in the Bible. You do pa. Oh, pa ya so come see when you are part. Simple. Na cho pa no, ye be die chie ne say, o pa cho ye ya. Oh, catch you say who denounce yourself as a minister of God. Denounce me, I'll be the first person to push somebody who call herself a prophetess to denounce her propheteship. I'm telling you. Kokroma ye nia bro wa ha. No video. Everything. The bia. Yoni. For me, she and Kwan Waham. And we are to be faking no. We sit. Hey! Number Chiaka. Now, call me Jimmy Show. I'm sure for Moshe Manuka fake Nyameba Agnes Joby. Na beka dino no. We say name no Joby. Jobi Joby. Ni kuru dino no. So you must show. Moshe Manu Sanka. Komua. And continue any immune. O denounce yourself as prophetess. Simple. Then you have free no one. Me this hot video no. Me dey raise beauty parlor and closet. Eye Accra Abeka. So o promechi akwan o mo Accra Abeka. Free pipe lay no so a. Oba obetime nyo o mo kama. Na wonim so o person you makeup. All occasions bia person ko bia. Say a small party, say you get together, say a funeral, say a church. So ko sra o guy kura jaw na person we nim look nice. No say jaw no get frustrated there. Oba, they will just treat your face right. Bibia pedicure, manicure, everything ye bibia wa ha. Oba so ye ma shoes, ma heels, ma purse, bags. Oba de onamo also dressing nice. Oma wona se kasa. No ama wonsa so akasa. Na wani mai kama. O hair ne de awani tu ende digital. Number no ye de betu dwa akiri. Macau.